Hello, my name is Tyus Robinson. I'm going to show you how to take out a power supply and show you some power leads off the power supply and show you what a capacitor is. First, I'm going to start off taking off all my connections. This is a Molex power lead. There's a couple of them here. And here you have your 24-pin main power supply. And this is your floppy power supply. And up here you have some SATA. And here there's two 4-pin auxiliary for your processor. I think that's all of them. And then to take out the power, I'm going to start with these screws on the outside. Should be 4 screws. And it should just slide out. And there's your power supply. Now I'm just going to put it back in. And then we took it out.
To go.
And the last thing I'm going to show you, if you look right here, there's an example of a capacitor. They're all over the place on this. Kind of look like little batteries. And that concludes my video. Thank you.